Good morning, people. Welcome back to yet another vlog. So it's more of a everyday kind of a vlog, like a day in my life kind of a vlog. So it's 8:30 and I just woke up and having my chai, which is I think the first thing that I do after I wake up. That I need to wake up, and that happens only with chai. Like I can't do without it. So yeah, and today is gonna be really exciting because there's like lots happening. First we need to wash hair and blow dry because it's a shoot day, which is exciting. um so yeah, I thought I would just vlog a day in my life kind of a vlog, if that makes sense. Oh, they're my friends. Meet my plants. So these are all the plants that I have, and I'm really looking forward for this one to grow. um the name of that one is Love, and we just have one father to all of them, all the mini plants that we have, and they're all in just like one basket because I kind of need a lot of space. Just clean some stuff and got rid of few boxes. This is a little clean corner. अभी सब कुछ बस एक जगह भरा हुआ है. Still need to figure it out. First things first, got done the bed, watered the plants, and now I'm gonna go take shower and get ready. What's up, guys? Just washed my hair because I've called Urban Clap for blow dry, because I have a long day and I want my hair to be intact, and also we have events happening tomorrow, day after and stuff. So I thought it would be better to get the hair done than doing them myself. Although I can do it at home, but I just feel like that's just another added tiredness on top of washing your hair, because I feel like I am very tired the day I wash my hair. So just did my skincare, and that's what is on my face right now. So I just did my skincare and washed my hair with mild shampoo and conditioner, and I'm waiting for the guy. I've booked him for 12:30, and he just called me and he said he's on the way. Till then I'll finish my breakfast. So I have the Urban Clap technician here. He also comes with a mirror stand and a mirror, and we have the setup done there. Now we're applying the serum. Done halfway. We just have this left. और कितना टाइम लगेगा भैया? 10 मिनट में बस. Looking gorgeous. Okay, thank you. We're done, and this is how the hair is looking like right now, which I truly like. Okay, we have a shoot now, so I would go get ready. Okay. Done?
All done.
Thank you. My hair looks so good. And I think this guy did a job in like 15-20 minutes. It just took like 15-20 minutes for him to like do this whole stuff. This is how it is. Now we are playing some music and getting ready. I need to do a little bit of makeup to cover the redness. and then I go and shoot. I have no clue why, but I'm trying this viral hack that I saw on Instagram, and also I think on YouTube. It's really trending on shorts. So it's something like this: you put like a contour, then you put blush, then foundation, and then again the contour. So you're gonna blend it. Now let's see how this turns out. Guys, the trick is actually really nice. It gives a really nice lift to your face. I think you should try this. I've just come down for a shoot now. I am ready. This is what I'm wearing. This is like a full sari. This is sari looking gown, and this is what my makeup's looking like. I think the trick really is looking good, and yeah, I'm wearing jutis and ready for the shoot. What's up, guys? Hair looking pretty. I'm out for so basically I was out for another shoot. So we did one shoot at home, and after that we headed out. It's 5:30 now, and हमें थोड़ा बहुत काम है. Like you can see, हमारा पीछे का सीट हमेशा से full रहता है. So अभी we're just going to finish some work, and उसके बाद I would head back home and then do some editing stuff. But yeah, I'm really loving my hair. They look gorgeous. Doll, what do you think of my hair? Pretty. They look pretty. They look pretty. And I'm glad they're intact, because usually my hair like goes flat very easily. So happy about that. What's up, people? It's 10 o'clock. We're done with the day. It was such a long day. I was out the whole evening. I just came back, showered, did my skincare, and sat back to editing. I still have bits and pieces to finish, but that's okay, that's doable. But now I'm just going to go read something and take a rest. And yeah, the day was really long and there was so much happening, but nothing interesting that I could vlog. So this is it for this vlog. If you enjoyed watching this very normal natural vlog, then let me know in the comment section below so that we can do more such things. But if you did, then do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.